With that said, that's great. Our application is now fully done. We fixed those two little inconsistencies, and finally, we are ready to deploy it to the web. To deploy our application to the web, we're going to use Netlify. Netlify is a free hosting platform, and to be honest, it's crazy how easy it is to deploy React applications with them. So we can go ahead and start by clicking login or sign up. I'm simply going to log in. Once you're in here, you might have some more sites like I do, or this might be empty. In any case, you can scroll to the bottom, and in here, we can drag and drop our site. So to be able to drop the site, what we can do is simply open up our file tree to notice that we right now don't have a build folder. To create an optimized production build out of our React application, we have to go to View and then Terminal. Right now, I'm not running anything, but if your app is running, simply press Ctrl+C and then Y and clear. That's going to give you an empty slate to work on. So before running npm run build, there's one thing that we have to do. Inside of the root of your folder, not source, just the root, create a new file called .env.production. Inside of here, there's one line that we have to add, and that's going to be disable ESLint plugin is equal to true. This will allow us to create a build without worrying about some simple warnings that we might have in our code, like not using something that we are importing. Now that that is done, simply run npm run build. React is now creating an optimized production build, and this process should take about a minute. I'm going to be right back. And there we go. You should be able to see a build folder appear right here. So just right click it and click Reveal in File Explorer. Finally, go back to Netlify and simply drag and drop the build folder right into this box. It's going to take a few seconds, and there we go. As I was saying that, it got automatically deployed. Finally, we can go to the main settings, and right here, options, edit site name, and feel free to change the name to something like Filmpire, and then your name. Or feel free to call it however you want. Finally, once you've changed the domain name, you can click this link. That's going to open Filmpire, the application you've built, but for the first time ever, not on localhost 3000, but on a real online hosted domain. You can now send this link to your friends to show them your work, or just generally to search for some movies, or you can show this to your potential employers and put it on your portfolio. With that said, we are fully done with the Filmpire course. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned a lot of interesting things from React that you can now use on all of your future projects. Just below this lecture, you'll be able to find one or two more lectures that are going to point you in the right direction. Maybe you want to transition to full stack MERN applications. I'm gonna try to provide you with a correct path that you can take. So once again, thank you so much for coming to the end of this course, and I'll see you in the next lecture.